Thank you for seeing my video, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today what I'm going to do, I'm going to upgrade my CPU from the Ryzen 4 to the Ryzen 5 2600X. So don't forget to leave a comment, like, dislike, and enjoy the video. So it's about time to make another upgrade and to upgrade my CPU. It is an Ryzen 4 1400. It has 4 cores and 8 threads, and also the frequency is about, and I did an overclocking to 3.8, 3.9, depends gigahertz of course. So this one has 6 cores, 12 threads, as you know, and the base frequency is 3.6 gigahertz, and the max is 4.2 gigahertz. I think you can unclock it a little bit more, but I don't have a cooler for that, so I'm going to leave it like that. So doing the unboxing, opening the box. As you can see, the cooler is in. The only thing that is important is this CPU. As you can see, this is the cooler, has thermal paste already put it on the cooler. Because of that, I'm not going to touch it. If you're not making any overclocking with the CPU, you can use it. For normal use, you can use it, but I'm not going to use it because I have a bad experience with this cooler and I cannot get the max from my CPU. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it right now. Heck. Now to put the CPU. As you see, it has these two things here, and you need to put it like that. So it's going to be here. So you can see, and close it. Because I want the thermal paste to do his job, I'm going to clean it. Well, put in the thermal paste. I always put a little bit in the middle. So in this situation, I'm rendering with the CPU. The render is in a 1080p. It's not a 4K or something like that, but everything is on 100%, and it's on the CPU. And as you can see, the CPU is reaching the max temperature of 61, 62, 63 degrees Celsius. You need to take in mind that the temperature in my room, it was 21 degrees Celsius. So I wanted to show you the working CPU. If you are after all this video, you are asking yourself if the CPU is working and how good it's going to work. By the way, the time of the render was 12 minutes with the CPU. So if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. Don't forget to leave a comment in this comment section. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. Also, don't forget to, if you are subscribing, don't forget to go to the bell and check the bell so you can have notifications. Thank you for seeing my videos, and have a nice day.